Alex had no money for ads. No fancy setup. Just a phone, and the will to try. Sound familiar? He'd tried YouTube, drop shipping, and even paid ad strategies, but lost more than he earned. Then he found a ClickBank-approved system that gets free traffic from platforms you use daily. It didn't need tech, no videos, no writing, just copy, paste, and let the system do the work. On day 5, Alex made his first $23 sale. It wasn't much, but it was proof he was in the game. By using more free traffic tricks from the system, Alex hit $137, then $218, and by week 3, over $500. The program includes traffic templates, daily checklists, and auto-generated landing pages. No paid tools needed. Alex says, if you've got 30 minutes a day and a will to